Ready to transform team chaos into smooth sailing with Aisensy? Today, we're diving into assigning manager roles in Aisensy, which will empower you to delegate tasks, manage access, and boost your team's productivity, all within this powerful platform. Let's get started. First, navigate to the settings section. Look for the gear icon, usually located in the bottom right corner or side menu of your Aisensy dashboard. Tap on it to access the settings panel. Once in the settings, find the team management or user section. This is where you'll manage all your team members and their roles within Aisensy. Tap on the section to open it. You should now see a list of all your team members currently in Aisensy. Find the team member you want to promote to manager. Tap on the team member's profile. In their profile details, look for a section related to role or permissions. There will likely be a drop-down menu or radio buttons indicating their current role. From the role options, select manager. This will grant the manager-level permissions within Aisensy. After selecting manager, be sure to save the changes. Look for a save, update, or confirm button to apply the new role. Sometimes, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the role change, so confirm if needed. Now, you should see the team member's role updated to manager in the team member list. This confirms that the role has been successfully assigned. And that's it. You've successfully assigned a manager role in Aisensy. This allows your newly appointed manager to handle tasks, manage workflows, and ensure your team is working effectively. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Aisensy tutorials, and leave a comment below if you had any questions.